Hi, I'm Leslie DeLuca. I'm a real estate broker. I help people buy and sell real estate right here on the beautiful Monterey Peninsula. So you've made an offer on a house and then you change your mind. Sean R. from Carmel asks, if I make an offer and then change my mind, can I back out? Only if you have a tangible reason. What you have to understand is that when you sign that real estate contract, it is a legal binding contract. And so if you want to get out of it, you can't just go, oh, I don't want to do this anymore, because you have an obligation to honor the contract. Yes, there are ways you can cancel the contract, and you do have contingencies and you do have all kinds of things, but it has to be a tangible reason. When you get into contract to buy a house, you have a contingency period. And the contingencies that you have are physical contingencies, appraisal contingencies, and loan contingencies. Now, if any of those happen to not satisfy you or turn out wrong, you can get out of the contract. If either party breaches terms of the contract, you have a right to cancel. So let me explain. The loan contingency. Let's say that you wrote in the contract that you were getting a loan with a 3% interest rate. And then something happens during the loan contingency period and the interest rate changes to 5% and they want more money down than you have available. Then that is a tangible reason that you can back out of the contract, because it's in the contract that you're going to get it for 3% and have a certain amount down, and now you can't do it. Tangible reason. Another tangible reason is you say that you'll pay $1 million for this house, and then the appraisal comes in, and the appraisal's $900,000. Now you ask the seller to lower the price of the house, and they say, no, we want $1 million. Well, your lender's only going to lend on $900,000, so you have to come up with that extra $100,000. If you don't have it or don't want to do it, which I would tell you never do that, unless, that's whatever, that's stupid money, but you don't want to pay $100,000 more than a house is valued at. So then there's the appraisal contingency. Now we can't agree on that, you can get out of it and cancel, and you get your good faith deposit back. Physical contingencies. I'm going to talk to you in another segment about why you need to do inspections, but when you have your due diligence period, there are certain inspections that you can do. In the inspection period, if you find things that you either want repaired, replaced, or you want a credit in escrow, you want them to lower the asking price, you have a right to do a request for repairs, or in an addendum ask for certain things. If you and the seller cannot agree on those things, you also can back out of the contract, because you find something in the inspection that's just too much for you. So those are the kinds of reasons how you can back out, but you can't just back out because your mother told you to, or because you're mad.